Don't try this at home, obviously, but it's pretty tight. So you're gonna see this MagSafe charger in all the weirdest places, I imagine. Qi with magnets. Pretty cool. All right. Oh, hi guys, just came from the Apple Store with the iPhone 12 Pro. We got the blue color, newest edition one. The Pro has that stainless steel band around it, the frosted glass back, and that ceramic glass in the front. So we have this one box along with the MagSafe charger. Got that in the mail. And as we'll notice with this, we got the MagSafe case. And for those who are asking questions like what's so special, like why is this circle on this clear case that I got to really showcase the blue, it's so that the MagSafe attaches to the case and you can see how strong that pull is on the phone. So we'll show that as well as we unbox this right now. Here's the box. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Notice it's so much thinner. There's no charger. Environmentally safe? I don't think so. They just want to implement the MagSafe or the wireless charging, Qi wireless charging, or all your iPhone cords that you definitely have. And even so, for the iPhone different chargers, I get the Anchor branded longer ones that are braided. And just like that, you take off the cap, just right here. This is the phone. All right, has the front. You can see that the power button right there. The volume rocker on this side. Let's look at the top of the phone right there. There's that stainless steel band, and you can kind of see those antenna accents similar to the iPhone 4. Let's put the rest of this box down. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. Ain't she a beauty right there? Now, a little larger screen this year, and this is a ceramic glass front. So those who like to go naked with their phone, no case, this is the phone for you, especially the Pro, because it has a stainless steel side. The difference between this and the iPhone 12 is that this doesn't have the aluminum finish. The iPhone 12 does, and that makes it softer metal, more vulnerable to scuffing. This is stainless steel, and this phone is actually lighter than the iPhone 11. That's pretty surprising, and it's probably because they got rid of some more of the bezel and the just aluminum build in front. So let's look at the rest of this. You still have the lightning ports. There's your speakers over there. Same thing, lock button. It feels more flat, more muted than the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. Volume rockers, these are just flat stainless steel buttons over there. Okay, and so there's your, this used to be where headphones used to be, or where they wrap things, but now this is just a SIM eject tool. So Apple's stopped including headphones in here, it's stopped including the chargers, and now this is just a SIM card ejector tool. And then right here we have the lightning cable, and I believe on the other side should be a USB-C. Let's see if this is double-sided lightning. Nope. And this is the USB-C port, and this is the lightning port over here. So let's do our best in unboxing this MagSafe charger. And cool that they brought the MagSafe brand name back. It's a classic name. Everyone knows what it is, who's ever had your MacBooks, especially the older ones where it wasn't USB-C charging. So let's see if I can't open this. That should open right up right there. Pull that tab. Let's look at that. Let's pull this out. Let's see what we got. Got some user manuals in here. Let's pull that out. Okay, and then here, this is a very long cord. It opens up just like that. Very nice. A lot of paper packaging. Very eco-friendly. So USB-C over there. So there's actually nothing to actually power this if you don't have a USB-C type, what's it called, power plug, or the adapter for that. So that's a little alarming, because I only can think of a handful of things in my house that have the USB right away. I'm not sure how to take this out without ripping it, but just gonna rip that off right there. There you go, folks. All right, and let's take the rest of these charging cords out. And let's take this USB-C out, just like that. And this here is your MagSafe charger. And then you'll see it live here, but this MagSafe is super strong on this phone. You can see, I'm not even sure how much pressure to add before it does fall. Don't try this at home, obviously, but it's pretty tight. So you're gonna see this MagSafe charger in all the weirdest places, I imagine. Qi with magnets. Pretty cool. All right. Oh, see, so it does fall. Good thing I caught that, right? The last but not least, the MagSafe Clear Case for the phone. I really wanted to show off that blue color, so let's go ahead and unbox this one as well. Let's look at that here. And then why should you get the MagSafe charger? Just for the same reason, just so that it clicks into place with your other cases below. Apple says that it's supposed to make the process of putting on the case easier. I don't know if that's true, really, because cases aren't hard to put on iPhones, especially since it doesn't have that like curved screen like Samsung's. Let's take that out, and there you go. Now notice on the front over here, designed by Apple in California, and all of your recycle assembled in China, designed by Apple in California. This must be some more magnets to really guide the charging cord. So let's put this together and see how easy this actually is to put into the case. I'm gonna try and just, you know, make it easy on myself. Not try too hard. Okay, going in, having some trouble. That's not that easy. Like, how is this relatively any easier than just putting on a case? I'm a little confused right now. Okay, boom, I just put it on. I just snapped the case into place. Not really sure what that messaging is. Okay, and then the last part, let's get this charger, and same thing, it can easily go through the case. Now imagine if your case is thinner, it should bond just right.